Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Nikki Roberts. So I recently acquired some Korean skincare products, and we all know the hype that is going on with Korean skincare, glass type skin. So I got some, maybe not, so I got a little bit different things. I've seen a lot of stuff that people use, and I don't know why I didn't buy them. I chose different stuff. So I'm gonna be trying them today, and I'm also gonna be using them for the rest of the time that I have them. They're pretty small bottles. I'm gonna be using anything else on my face, so it's only gonna be these products, and I'm gonna see how they're working for my skin and if I should get more or try something different. So we're gonna get into it. I have a steamer. I'm gonna steam my face. I need to shave. As you can see, my face is going through a lot. Okay, that felt very gentle, very creamy, and my face feels good. On my hand makes it better, because in the cotton pad it's just gonna soak all of the juice up, and I'm not gonna get any in the end. So oh, by the way, I don't know if you heard about or if you know about the 60 seconds to wash your face. So I feel like that's kind of what I did. So next I'm gonna use is this. It says this cooling liquid reduces appearance of pores and evens out the skin texture, creating clear, glowing skin. So I'm excited to use this, because who does not? Honestly, who does not want glowing skin? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be using this as well. Should open, right? this one looks like. I'm just gonna use these on my okay. Okay. Do you guys see that? You guys see my face right now? Like, that looks so good. Hello? Look at my skin. Already have that glow. Jesus. Okay, so it says that with this, you definitely need to use an SPF, because I guess maybe I have some type of acid inside of it, so probably that's why. I'm gonna let this dry down on my skin, and that's what that's looking like. That feels good. Does not, my skin looks good. Like, you see the shine? It's glowy. It looks glowy. It looks glowy. Let's see. Alright, so next thing I have is this Snail Bee. This is a steam cream, and I don't know if I should use a lot of this because no. No. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Look at my face. Like, I could definitely feel the cream on there. So, do not use a lot of this. That's gonna go a long way. That's gonna go a long way. How does my face feel? My face feel like there's products on it, and it does look shiny, does it not? Does it not look shiny? Is shiny the word I'm looking for, or does it look hydrated? That very simple, very easy steps, but obviously I have to use the SPF because it's a must that I use SPF. And I also found out recently that use SPF all around. It doesn't matter if it's cloudy or because I live in Canada, and you guys know during the winter months there's literally barely any sunlight, but it does come through sometimes, so use your SPF. So I'm going to be using this one. It's from Skin Aqua. It's from Skin Aqua, and they said that you should use 2 finger length, but that's kind of a lot. That's a lot, isn't it? So I'm just gonna use 1 finger length, and so that's a good bit. That's a good bit. The true test is if this absorbs into my skin without leaving a white cast. That is the true test here. Okay, so let's go in with it. Take it down. Hold on a second. Okay, just hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a second. Do you guys see how that absorbed into my skin? I don't have a mirror in front of me, but do you see? And I only have my camera, but do you see any? You guys gotta hype me up here. You gotta hype me up here because look at my skin. Guys, look at my skin. I don't know what to say, honestly. I really don't know what to say. And that was the skincare routine. That was the skincare routine. Nothing else added. Wow. Just wow. Okay? Wow. Also, this Laneige is pretty nice. It's pretty pricey, but it is pretty nice. It's buttery, it's soft. And I also think Laneige is a Korean brand. I don't know, I saw it on the Korean site, so. But this I got at Sephora, so. Before you run to Sephora, just check out Korean sites. They usually have sales, and I just bought the lip sleeping mask. It's not the big one, it's a smaller one. I just got it for $3. Alright guys, so final look, final face. Right? How are we looking? We're looking good, aren't we? Aren't we looking good? We're looking good. We're looking dewy. We're looking hydrated. Is that? Yeah, we're looking very hydrated. And I am in love with it. And that was not long at all. Alright, so as you guys see, these products, they're not the biggest. Okay? So I am going to be using these. This you don't need a lot of. As you could tell, you just need a little bit. So also I'm going to show you guys some other products that I got. I'm pretty sure I'm going to insert it before this one, so that you guys can see I got 2 of these and 2 other little cream type things. I got some Korean skincare products. These are not big, but I feel like they are worth it, and you get a lot of uses out of them because you do not need a lot. So that's the end of this video, you guys. Tell me what you think. Tell me, because just look at my skin. I cannot get over at how my skin looks right now and feels. My skin feels so good. After the first try, after the first use of these products, my skin feels good. Sorry about the hands, but after the first try, I'm excited to use these products in the next couple of weeks until they are done. Until they're done. Okay, I'm gonna try and remember to keep the empties of these so that you guys, you know I use them. And yeah. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite Korean skincare product at the moment, if you do have any? And I will link the site where I got these on the bottom. They were having a sale. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.